Welcome to our comprehensive guide on network security for the Internet of Things. In this video, we are going to explore 3 critical pillars for protecting your smart devices: firewalls, virtual private networks, and network segmentation. With the explosion of smart home devices, understanding these concepts is more important than ever. First, let's understand why IoT security is such a massive challenge. Unlike your laptop or smartphone, many smart devices come with weak default passwords, lack built-in security features, and rarely receive firmware updates. Because they are always connected to the internet, they provide a 24/7 open window for attackers to exploit. The first line of defense is the firewall. Think of a firewall as a digital gatekeeper that stands between your devices and the wild internet. It inspects every packet of data trying to enter or leave your network. If the data meets specific security rules, it's allowed through. If not, it gets blocked instantly. To make a firewall effective for IoT, you need specific rules. You should block all unsolicited inbound traffic, meaning nothing from the internet can initiate a connection to your toaster or camera. You should also restrict outbound connections, so your devices can only talk to their specific manufacturer servers, and disable universal plug and play to prevent devices from opening ports automatically. Next, we have virtual private networks, or VPNs. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel for your data. Even if a hacker or your internet service provider intercepts the traffic, all they will see is gibberish. This is crucial for maintaining privacy and securing data in transit. So when should you use a VPN for IoT? The most critical use case is remote access. Instead of opening a port on your router to check your security cameras while you are away, which is dangerous, you connect to your home VPN. This puts you virtually inside your home network securely. It also prevents your ISP from profiling your device usage. The third and perhaps most powerful strategy is network segmentation. This involves dividing your home network into separate zones. You keep your trusted devices, like banking laptops and phones, in one zone, and your untrusted IoT gadgets in another. A digital barrier prevents them from talking to each other. Implementing segmentation is easier than it sounds. The simplest method is to use the guest network feature found on almost all modern routers. Connect your smart bulbs and fridges to the guest Wi-Fi. For advanced users, using virtual LANs or VLANs provides even more granular control and isolation. Why do we do all this? To prevent attacks like botnets. In the famous Murray botnet attack, millions of insecure cameras and routers were hijacked because they had default passwords and no firewall protection. They were then used to launch massive attacks against major websites. Securing your devices stops you from becoming part of the problem. Here is your ultimate security checklist. Make sure to change all default passwords immediately. Check for firmware updates monthly. Isolate your IoT devices on a guest network. Disable UPnP on your router to stop automatic port forwarding. And finally, turn off any features you don't use, like cloud access, if you don't need them. To wrap up, remember the 3 pillars. Use firewalls to control traffic flow. Use VPNs for secure remote access and privacy. And use network segmentation to keep your risky devices away from your sensitive data. By implementing these steps, you can enjoy your smart home without compromising your digital safety.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.